Let me show you how to fix the layout option grayed out in Microsoft Word. So this layout section, if this section is grayed out for you and you cannot click any of these options, the simple fix to this is if you are in the non-editing mode, you should be able to click on the editing or enable editing on the top of the screen. Now, if that is not the case for you, if you are in editing mode and if the options are still grayed out, then what you can try out is head over to the files on the top left and then head over to protect document. Once you're inside of this setting, you'll need to head over to restrict editing. Sometimes whenever these two options, which is the format restrictions and editing restrictions, are enabled, which means they are checked, that is the exact issue that you're facing. So to solve this issue, make sure that you uncheck both of these, and there you go, your issue should now be solved. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.